Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with my October Cheeky Studio kit, and I'm going to share with you what I got in this month's kit. So first of all, she sent a 4-page sketch, which I love. I just love being able to look at that and then just make a layout with it. So there's the 4 layouts. Then this was wrapped, so I left it wrapped. Let's see what's in here. So the theme for this month is all has to do with books, and it's called On the Cover. Let me see if I can open this. I'm trying to not wreck it, so maybe I could use this tissue paper on some layouts, but I'm not doing a very good job. Ooh, that's cool. It's like a little notebook, a traveler's notebook. Well, that's cool. It says one more chapter from Wild Whisper, which is the company that made the pattern paper for this month's kit. Awesome. I love that. Okay, so let's go into the pattern papers. Again, from Wild Whisper, it's called One More Chapter, and it was made in Canada, which is cool. So this is just a stack of books, and my favorite, this side. Oh, I can just see like cutting those apart and using those as embellishments. So I do love that side, but I think I'm going to be cutting these apart. Love that. Then the next one, all from the same collection. This is like the stamp that they would put on your library card, you know, when the book was due. And then this is little stars. And then this is pens and pencils. And this is, I don't know, like little lockers. I love this. The bottom part you can use, it says hit the books. Love that. And this is pencils and just a lined paper. And I love this. It's all about reading. Just one more chapter. We lose ourselves in books and finds ourselves there too. Love that side. And then this is like crimpled paper. And then my favorite, I love this side, but I'm going to be using this side for sure because I'm going to cut these out and use them. I like everything, so I don't think I'll be using that side. I think I'll be using this side. Okay, so now for the embellishments, you have these enamel stickers from Project Life. Love those. They're like big dots, medium dots, and then there's some hearts. There's 28 pieces. And then these are exclusive to the Cheeky's Kit Club. So that means you can't just buy it off their site. It's just with the Kit Club. And I love them. They're little frames with books. And this one is with a pencil. And this is yellow and blue. This has a glass of wine and a book. And a couple of pens or pencils, and this one you can do your journaling. Love those. And they coordinate the collection really well. And the collection for October, like I said, is called On the Cover. And I'm going to show you quite a few pieces in here. Ooh, looks awesome. Again, I haven't looked at anybody else's unboxing just because I want to be like surprised when I open my own kit. Oh, I love that. I love those. It's a great day to read. That's every day. I don't think there's a day this year that I haven't read, even if it's just not one page. So I can't wait to do more layouts about reading. All good reads. Another book, please. Stack of books. Again, the little lockers. A very good read. A pen. some wine, some pens, open book, love that, tags. She reads books as one would breathe air to fill up and live. Oh, I love that. I love these stack of books. So many books, so little time. That's how I feel all the time. And then these. And then for every great book is a great glass of wine. This is perfect for a foundation or journaling. Some more books. The flowers. Again, I love that they're in different sizes. Great journaling card. A few more bottles of wine. Another open book. And then a cork. And a glass of wine. I guess I showed you all the all the embellishments. So if you don't know anything about Cheeky Studio, I'll have everything in the description box below. They have a kit club, and they also have that you can buy the die cuts on their own. So if you do that, if you sign up for the kit club, every month you'll get a kit that involves or includes, you know, some pattern papers, some exclusive stuff, some die cuts, whole bunch of stuff. And if you just want to go on the website and buy a bunch of their embellishments, they're always packed full, then you can use my code NicoleJones911 and you can get 10% off your order. And that's it. Be watching in the next month. I'll be using this for 3 of my layouts. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.